We want to talk a little bit about the controls now. If you notice on this Balboa control, it says jet temperature light. Okay, that jet temperature light on this particular unit, the first jet button is not used, but it's an upgradable system where you can add another motor if you decide to, without having to spend more money on a control system. It reduces the cost of improving your tub. Some people want to start out on a lower end and move up. Well, they can move up with this unit by just adding pumps. Okay, the control unit is set up without a pressure switch. Most people don't know what a pressure switch is, but it controls the heater coming on whether the water is moving or not. It's one of the biggest failure items we have. Our units no longer have that. They have sensors that read the temperature in and out of the heater. It gives a little more accurate control of the spa. Included in your unit is a laminated diagram of the unit, of the control unit. We're talking about what runs the spa. It has a mode setting. Mode settings can be operated by hitting temperature and then light. There's 3 modes. There's standard mode, economy mode, and sleep mode. The way the modes work, standard mode maintains the temperature that you have the spa set for, turning on and off. Economy mode only heats during the filtration cycle, which there's 2 filtration cycles every 12 hours. 1 every 12 hours, 2 in a 24-hour period. And then sleep mode is, if you go on vacation, you just hit a button and it reduces the temperature by 20 degrees without having to come and play and reprogram the equipment. It's just real simple. Also, these units are designed for non-use application. If you are not using the hot tub for several days, it'll go into economy mode from standard, and then from economy it goes to sleep and reduces the temperature automatically, saving energy. The next setting is going to be your filtration modes. The way you set your filtration mode is by turning the power on to the spa. When you turn the power on to the spa, 6 minutes later the first filtration cycle begins. You can set the filtration cycle on the 500 series for 2, 4, 6, 8, or continuous. I recommend 4 hours. It doesn't hurt to do continuous. It's a low amperage speed motor. If you keep your temperature set at 104 degrees, you may want to reduce it some because the continuous running of the motor does heat the water slightly. I have seen them in the summertime cause them to overheat in hot climates. Okay, and then the next thing is just each jet. Each jet tells you what it does. It's jets, temperature, and light. When LED lights are operated by pushing the button. If you take your finger off, push it again and back on, within 5 seconds it changes through the cycle of colors. If you leave it for 5 seconds in the off position, it remembers the last setting and comes back to that. Thank you. Hope this makes it better for your use of your spa.